D&W brings your used equipment back to life. From start to finish, our engineers, skilled technicians, and knowledgeable customer service team is here to support you. Our remanufacturing services deliver sustainable solutions that provide savings up to 60% and minimizes your downtime. All remanufacturing services are backed by a 1-year in-service warranty from date of first installation. D&W service starts once your failed unit arrives at our 121,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility. Technicians first carefully disassemble your unit to look for cause of failure and assess the damage. Next comes non-destructive cleaning, part reclamation, and requalification. We then repair or replace damaged parts as necessary. Our skilled technicians reassemble to original equipment specifications. Your fully reconditioned unit is returned to you in like new or better condition, ready for service. Start saving money and reduce your downtime today. Call D&W at 1-866-723-8099.